Hi there, Sarah from Glow Skin Body here. Today I'm going to take you through one of the unique products in the Dermalogica skincare range, and it's called the Phyto Replenish Oil. Phyto Replenish Oil is a plant-based, lightweight oil that delivers hydration directly to the skin while at the same time building and strengthening your skin's natural barrier. So no matter what your skin type is, the Phyto Replenish Oil is going to be suitable for you, and that's because aging and environmental stress really disrupts our protective barrier on the skin. The Phyto Replenish Oil contains ingredients of camellia oil, chia seed oil, orchid flower and plant extracts to help restore the skin's barrier, smooths visible lines and really locks in critical moisture and shields the skin against free radicals that cause aging on our skin. This oil is really versatile and it can be used in multiple ways. You can provide intense hydration to the skin by applying 4 to 6 drops directly onto the skin for maximum absorption. You will see noticeable results and your skin will really look hydrated and dewy. Another option is to add a couple of drops into your moisturizer and work over the face and the neck area. Or you can add in some drops into your primer and foundation for a flawless finish, and it won't contain that oil sticky residue that we sometimes notice once our makeup's on. And your results are more luminous and more dewy skin. So to take the dewy skin to the next level, we also have a DIY massage technique which will help you boost circulation, detoxify and further smooth fine lines and alleviate muscle tension, and you can click on the link below to view that. So to check out more information on the Phyto Replenish Oil, visit our website glowskinbody.com.au. You're welcome to try a free sample as well with your next order. We'll see you again next time.